Tired of chasing down signatures and wrestling with outdated contract processes? Today, we're unlocking the power of Docusign to automate your entire contract lifecycle, saving you time and banishing manual errors forever. Step 1, let's get into your Docusign account. Once logged in, navigate to the Templates section. This is where we'll build the foundation of our automation. Click Create Template. You can upload an existing contract document or start from scratch. For this tutorial, we'll upload a standard NDA. Now, the magic begins. Drag and drop fields onto your document from the Docusign toolbar. We'll add fields for recipient names, email addresses, dates, and signature lines. Crucially, assign roles to each recipient. For example, sender for your team member who initiates the contract, and recipient for the client or partner signing it. Next, we set up our automated workflow. Go to the Workflow tab here. You can define the order of signing. For instance, the sender fills out their information, then it's automatically sent to the recipient for a signature. You can also configure automatic reminders. Set how often you want Docusign to nudge the signer if the contract hasn't been returned, ensuring faster turnaround times. Finally, save your template now. Whenever you need to send this contract, you can simply select your template, fill in the specific details, and hit send. Docusign handles the rest, from emailing the document to tracking its status and storing the completed agreement. Transform your contract management from a chore into an effortless, automated process with Docusign.